Western Howard County in central Maryland, central Montgomery County in central Maryland, southern Frederick County in north central Maryland, until 10 p.m. At 9:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Boyd's, or near Germantown, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Germantown, Rockville, Gaithersburg, Olney, Damascus, Poolsville, Aspen Hill, Montgomery Village, North Potomac, Redlands, Colesville, Boyd, Rossmere, Wheaton Glenmont, Cloverlake, Clarksburg, Glenmont, Burtonsville, Darnestown, and Durwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard Station KH.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Frederick County, Howard County, and Montgomery County, effective until 10:07 p.m.
I guess we're going for WBAL. That is what I was going for. WTTM, relaying a PHISVR. Let's see if I can actually get 950.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Anne Arundel County, Baltimore County, Harford County, and the city of Baltimore, effective until 10:29 p.m.
Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Montgomery County and central Maryland, southeastern London County in northern Virginia,
can change your day.
Fairfax County in northern Virginia until 10:45 p.m. At 9:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Broadlands,
northwestern Fairfax County in northern Virginia.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
5 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Broadlands.
And large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are
possible. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Rockville, Reston, South Riding, Herndon, Vienna, Broadlands, Lansdowne, Rose Island, Brambleton, Emmett Hills, Dulles International Airport, Potomac, Ashburn, Ocean, Sterling, North Potomac, Tyson's Corner, Wolf Trap, Great Falls, and Maryfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Network for severe thunderstorm watch number 200.
Can't walk in fear.
Winds and large hail across western Maryland, the West Virginia and cloudy. 140 scattered showers and a chance of thunderstorms. Spotters are encouraged to relay severe weather reports from Howard County in central Maryland, south central Baltimore County in northern Maryland until 10:45 p.m. Storms are possible at 90 p.m.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Anne Arundel County, Baltimore County, Howard County, and the city of Baltimore, effective until 10:56 p.m.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:07 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles west of Key Bridge to 16 nautical miles northwest of Mason Next State Park, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Mason Next State Park, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Key Bridge, Fort Hunt, National Harbor, and Alexandria.